How do you get the original music back in Counter-Strike 2 from Counter-Strike Global Offensive? Well, assuming you owned CSGO, if you check your inventory with the new full release of CS2, you'll find a music kit Valve CSGO. If you inspect this, you'll hear the old Counter-Strike Global Offensive menu music that's quite nostalgic and a little bit sad to say goodbye to, but at least you can commemorate it here forever. It includes the main menu music, round start and end, map objective, 10-second warning for the bomb, and death camera. That's it. It's super nostalgic, especially if you're watching this long into the future when CSGO is a thing of the past and CS2 is all we remember. You get this completely for free if you owned CSGO in the past and it was upgraded to CS2. This may be purchasable in the future, but for now, that's yet to be seen. Checking the store, followed by general, unfortunately it doesn't seem to be here. So anyways, thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.